Welcome to this Heartful Hug Flow. This is a Body Mindfulness Flow. Begin with a hand on the chest and on the belly. In the chest, we're cultivating a feeling of admiration, and in the belly, a sense of contentment. Hands move forward to cradle the infant. Leaning towards the hand that is on top, we then switch the placement of the hands. One hand cradles the baby's head, the other the baby's bottom. As you do these movements, tap into the attunement that you imagine occurs between mother and child. And then move those into your own heart and belly. The hand that's on the heart is the side we go to, brushing the fingers along the line of the arm that connects the hands to the heart. Opening and awakening this area 4 times, then open the arms wide, opening your heart as wide as the world. Then, using your arms, you're going to touch yourself as much as you can along the back body. Then up along the front, giving yourself a self-hug, preparing yourself to open to a heartful hug, to give a heartful hug. And let the hands drop. Orient yourself, and we'll begin to the other side. The other side. There we go. Cultivating admiration in the chest and contentment in the belly. Move the hands forward to cradle the baby, leaning towards the top hand, then switching hands. Let your breath be smooth and gentle, and your focus be on the admiration, the content, that agape feeling of unconditional love. Move that into your own heart and belly. Moving to the hand that's on top, we'll open up the heart line, brushing the fingers along the arms and chest, opening and awakening. Then opening the arms wide as the world. Open your heart as wide as the world. And offer yourself that same love, unconditional love, going down the back of the body, coming up the front of the body. Here, imagine giving that heartful hug to someone, or receiving that heartful hug from someone. And please move along with me as we repeat this body mindfulness sequence once again.